I am the Ramesh. I am the one of the director of Vasavi Group. Last 30 years I am doing this construction field. I am in construction field. Main reinforcement is the main cause of construction, in the main important role in the reinforcement. It should be physically okay and chemically also it okay. But last 30 years I am using this Shree TmT. There is nothing problem is there. Before that it is 500D. Now it is 550D. We are checking out the every time when we delivered the Shree TmT. Every time we checking the results. But in physical test and chemical test it will good. Everything every time it is coming correctly and there is no problem from the Shree TmT. Shree TmT we are using since 15 years. From our Vasavi started with Vasavi Bhuvana. Before that also so many projects are started, but basically before 15 years when we entered the Vasavi Group, from that we are using the Shree TmT, and first project is Vasavi Bhuvana, and next to Vasavi Shantiniketan and Vasavi Brindavan, and now we use Vasavi Srinilayam. It is recently we completed it. It is 785 flats. Recently we starting the office bed site Lake City, Vasavi Lake City. It is an ongoing project. It is also maximum we are using this Shree TmT 550D. We build Xtraordinary with Shree TmT.